This retaining wall has a lot of hidden engineering strength behind it, so we've added some additional structure into this hollow block wall. Our first step is to prepare the concrete block. We place our block in the corner of this wall. We pour our concrete in as gently as possible. We'll let this concrete set up as we move our attention to the other corner of the wall, making sure the corner block's in the exact right position. All the blocks are lined up and plumb. We fill them with concrete. I'm adding rebar into the concrete to lock these blocks together. Last week we got this corner set. Been putting all our steel in as we go. So this is our lower end of the wall, and today we're going to be working on the third course. We need one of these small pieces of rebar sitting inside every slot. We need to tie this rebar together. There's 4 slots for every block to create a passage for the rebar, because the top of the wall doesn't have any slots on the back of it.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.